Alright, I'm gonna be reacting to Gvix Plays, and they're YouTubers. They're my friends, and you should go subscribe to them. And I'm gonna be reacting to this video. I don't know much about this game, but they asked me to do a reaction video, so I'll do it. Alright, here we go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of a cooking show. Today we'll be cooking cupcakes with Cosmo. Kind of cheaped up.
What? You're not supposed to say. You're not supposed to say that.
Did they mess up? I'm joking.
Yeah.
Never mind. Okay. Well, today we'll be cooking cupcakes. So let's go get some ingredients.
Can you get some from the fridge?
I found an egg,
Okay.
and that's all. There's just one egg in there.
What do you mean? There's supposed to be a ton of other ingredients.
No, it's not.
I don't know where.
Why is Pedal sitting fat? Oh god, he died.
I don't know where the rest of the ingredients is. Let's make egg today. No, I'm joking.
Oh.
How? Oh, what shall we do?
Oh no. What should we do?
I don't know.
I have an idea. Say you're playing in 1, 2,
2, 3. Look in the fridge.
Yes.
What?
Wait, what?
What's your idea?
Look in the fridge again.
Okay.
Okay, go look in the fridge.
Wait, there's 2 fridges.
There's 2.
Oh, this one has the rest of the squads. Whoop. Okay, we have now 2 chocolate eggs
Ooh, wait, what? 2
Chocolate
and
egg.
an egg.
2.
Some milk. And some strawberry icing.
Where's the
Strawberry
flour?
ice cream.
I mean,
And some batter.
okay,
And the batter.
okay, that's good. Okay, let's just get started.
Yeah.
Sprinkles.
Huh?
And sprinkles.
Oh yeah, that's the key ingredient.
And a dead body.
What?
Dead body.
Sprout, we said we wouldn't talk. Said we wouldn't talk about this on camera.
Hey, yeah, wait.
That's the child that
I don't care.
meant to do.
We
Saving its meat for later.
Wait, what?
we said we wouldn't talk about this on camera.
Human meat? You doing that on camera?
Okay,
I'm
yeah.
recording this.
That never happened. Now, Cosmo, can you do the batter and then put it in the oven?
Okay.
Wait, I found more eggs. Nice.
More eggs.
Okay, so how many eggs do we need?
We need 69.
No, we need 3. I mean 2.
69.
Cause
This is our cookbook.
Sprout.
It says 69 right there.
Yeah, fine. Pass me the 69 eggs.
For one eggy cake, it says 34.
Okay.
And if you want normal ones, you could just choose whatever you want. I don't care.
Wonder what they're cooking.
We'll do 2. It's fine.
Okay. We have 1 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 eggs here. That adds
7?
up to 8.
We need 1 more.
More? Why do we need more? Didn't you say we only could use 2? We have plenty.
Just give me 1 more. Just give me 1 more egg.
1 more egg.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so now we got 2 eggs to make our batter. Now we need can you check the cookbook? It's right there.
1 cup of nice flour.
1 cup
Okay.
of flour.
Do you want to do that or should
I
I?
don't know where to get that flour. It'll be a little wet though.
Just Sprout. Sprout.
I got the flour. It's a bit creamy.
Okay, we got the flour.
Okay, so
Yay.
these is the cream.
Huh?
Oh, so here's flour. That could be the cream. Mixed with the strawberry cream we already have. Nice and creamy.
Okay, let's just do it. Okay. I'm mixing it now. Okay, I'll mix it. Okay. So let's go put this in the oven. Well, actually, we have to put in the cupcake tray. Can you get the cupcake tray for me?
It's right here.
Oh, yeah. Let me put it in. Let me just. Yeah.
Looks like donuts, but it's actually cupcakes.
There we go. Okay, let's put this in the oven.
Alright, put it in the oven.
Kneel down.
You do it. Get a bit closer. You can't reach the oven that close.
Ah, I fell in the oven.
Oh, I already fell in the oven.
Help me.
Oh my god, get out! Get out! It pulls out.
Thanks, Sprout.
Some nice time later.
Okay. Now let's actually
Good.
put it in the
Good
oven.
Sprout.
There we go.
Bad if the oven was cooking.
Okay. Do we have it on? So how long do we have to put it on for?
Rats,
Ah.
sit here while I turn it on. Parkour, 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 parkour. Turns it on. Kicks
Ow.
off the thing into my lap and then hold you and puts you down slowly. Okay, now it's cooking.
It's cooking.
It'll take 30 minutes to cook.
30 minutes.
30 minutes later.
So guys, look, they're cooked. Now we gotta put the frosting in and some cream.
Cream.
Do we have the frosting cream?
Myself.
Okay, let's put it on. Here, I'll help you.
I'm making strawberry cream.
What?
We got the strawberry cream we need.
There we go. Put it in.
Now,
Ah.
let's
in.
put them on the cupcakes.
Oh, cupcakes.
Okay. There we go.
You eat them.
No, we have to. What about we feed him to Toodles first?
Oh, Toodles.
I don't want toast if I'm pregnant. You do.
What?
They're edible. These look very edible. I think you should eat them.
Is that a Timu Pebble?
Yeah.
No, this is actually just Pebble. With a Greek good.
Timu Pebbles.
Okay.
He's from Timu.
I covered him with some brown stuff. Put something on him to restrain him. There's actually heavy weights in those packets. Restrain him.
Mmm.
You're eating
It tastes
cupcakes.
pretty.
Do not shove him up your butt.
Mmm. Yum. That tastes good.
Don't shove him up your butt.
What?
Don't shove him up your butt or you'll become pregnant.
I wasn't gonna do that in the first place. What do you mean with your babies? Wait. Sprout.
It's strawberry cream.
Sprout, what did you do to the strawberry cream? No! Why, Sprout?
Sprout.
Sprout! What have you done?
What did he do?
No!
No.
That's gotta do.
That's...
I'll just grab some strawberries from my room that I have and make some strawberry cream. That will factor me.
Oh my god. Let's just try one.
Why would I eat that? They're made for you.
Just try one.
Nah. I'll take this other one.
Okay.
Those are all yours.
Thanks.
I don't want you to shove them up your butt.
Why is Boxed in the bin?
What?
Oh, Pebble's in the bin now.
Pebbles.
Oh, never mind. Okay.
Let's
Anyway,
go.
I'm gonna eat the cupcakes.
What you mean? That's not pebble.
Nom nom.
This is pebble.
No, that's Timu Pebble.
Timu.
I'm just gonna eat. Let me eat.
No, that's pebble. Just fat.
Shut. Nom, 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 nom.
Need some ketchup. I'll go get it.
What? Why would I?
Wait, ketchup?
Oh, look at this cake. It's kind of like you.
Ooh, let me see the cake.
Okay, cookies.
Look away. I gotta put my icing on it. Oh.
Whoa!
That's right. You want some cake?
Sure.
Strawberry cake. Like, I'm a strawberry. You're a cake. It's kind of like us.
Yeah, yum.
But more
Yummy.
like me.
I don't want it. I mean, what?
Can I slice and shove it around your throat? You see, it's just a nice icing that is actually just strawberry flavored.
Ooh, yum. It tastes good. So, what did you put on the?
Kill my siblings.
What?
They're made out of strawberries. What do you think?
You just shoved me down my own throat.
Wait, what?
What?
Oh no, a cake. Look at me.
No, you're a different type of one.
Oh.
Roll thing. Like a roll cake or whatever. That's a cake. A birthday cake.
A jam roll. I don't know.
I don't want Toodles to eat that. That's kind of weird.
Should we make something else?
Toodles.
We'll leave that for episode 2.
But we just finished part 1.
Okay.
That was we cooked up the thing.
Thank you guys for watching part 1 of our
Part 1 of your cooking.
yeah, cooking show. Yay!
Yay!
See you in the next one.
See ya.
To go on you.
Ah!
Well, that's part 1. And I'll see you in part 2. Peace out.